For the love of mac and cheese, where are all my mac and cheese lovers? Hello Twistees, and welcome back to Twister Recipe. On today's special menu, we're going to make a delicious cheesy mac and cheese with breadcrumbs and loaded bacon. This is super delicious. It's very easy to make, takes you less than 10 minutes, and you get this deliciousness on your table. Guys, do not forget to like, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up for this video. Click on the notification button for more videos posted every week. And guys, do not forget to stay tuned for my new recipe book coming out to you guys sooner or later. I love you all. Thank you for the love and support. See you on our next video. Click the thumbs up button and kisses and deuces. See you guys. Enjoy the recipe.